So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem, I don't know. Maybe I'm in love. Thinking how much longer will it take to cure
Yung
this?
pinaka nakilig ka sa buong buhay mo.
Ano? That's not the pinaka. I don't know. I can't
The two proposals.
No, but
Tama.
two of the most.
Oh, so that means that during your relationship, walang kilig.
Ano ka ba? Siyempre kinikilig.
Now silence again, oh. No music. Music makes the people come together. Yeah. Music makes the bourgeoisie and the rebel. You know music?
The Madonna.
No, music. Music Soul Child. Music Soul Child.
Hindi ko alam
The
kung
artist.
sino ang title.
Impacific.
Ginagawa nila.
Kumakain. Wanna eat? What? You don't want to eat? Talaga?
Maybe later.
Parang ang daming pictures na wala, no?
Hindi.
Wanna sleep? But you can't. Anong city gusto mo papuntahan?
Quezon City.
I mean, besides Quezon City.
I don't know.
Is there a dream city? Na talaga?
I don't know. Madami akong places na gusto puntahan.
Yeah, but a dream
Kasi
city.
kahit hindi ko siya gustong puntahan, if it's something new, na-excite ako, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ano yan?
Kandila.
Bakit? Para sa mga pala. Feeling ko ito yung ano nila Ate LD, no?
Yep.
Yung dinner? Oo.
Yep. No dream, no city, no city.
Hindi niya na nilabas yung lahat na kandila. Ganun yung joke ko.
Walang ano handle, folder.
Hindi, dito sa atin. Sa kwarto namin.
We forgot. Kasi hindi din namin first alam na saan kayo, kung nasa kwarto kayo.
Ano pa kaya sila, city na?
City. Tapos na yung Big Brother doon.
Oo nga, pero ang ibig sabihin kamusta siya?
For sure fine. For sure spending some time with yung boyfriend niya. With her boyfriend.
Pero manika, city na.
Ito parang yung placard, no?
Ano?
Diba?
Yung
Side
naman
lang.
na angulo naman ni Gian. Tagilid.
If you see your mom, ano sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Ay, ano?
The first thing.
Hindi ko alam.
Yun mismo. Yan yun mismo.
I miss her.
Yeah. Si Inday.
Inday, luto mo ako ng leche. Balik ka na, luto kita.
Ah, yeah. Luto kita.
Pag, sanay na yun eh. Pag tumawag, Inday! Ano? Winston.
No?
Ano? Banana Q. Ano?
Winston ka or Winston Lights?
Like,
Mostly, yung mga kakilala ko, also in Switzerland, they're smoking Winston Lights. And not the normal Winston. Not the red ones. Winston.
wala na si Pamela.
Mm-hmm. But you can always visit her naman eh. Yep. You can visit her naman. I think at any time. Walang umiim. Kung lalabas ka, makikita mo si Dion. What's your first ano?
I really want to see her.
Oh?
Oo. I want to see Dion. Actually, itong week na to, bigla ko siyang namiss. Ano mo yun? I mean, I miss them all, but I started looking for Dion.
Ah, that's a sinusot mo yun.
No. It's mine.
Namimiss mo? Nasaan?
It's in a secret place. Yeah. I kept it.
Sure, it would be not nice.
But,
If you would not know. The Dion and Gian moment. Before going out. One
I'm
highlight.
serious. I want
I
to
know.
see her. I want to hug her.
Oh?
Oo.
Ano? You wanna go back to cheering? No.
Cheering. Maybe I should move on.
Into what?
Something new.
What?
I don't know.
Jazz?
Maybe.
Ballet?
No.
Ballroom?
Not ballet. Nagbalay na ako ng bata.
Ballroom?
I stopped. No.
Macho
no.
dance? Or hip hop?
Maybe. Maybe. Ano ba itsura ni Ate Saisi dito?
John? Oh.
Si Ate Jazz lang po yun. Ay, hindi na ate yun.